hot dogs, toffee apples, and you're all invited!
We've got the guy with his arms.
And his legs and his cute feet.
All we need now is a face. Excellent. Danny boy.
Oh, Danny boy, I love you so.
Danny's looking forward to the fireworks, aren't you, Danny?
Well, I am. Yes, I am.
You all right, Dan?
Everybody wants to be like that.
Oh, Danny boy.
You're not putting him on the fire, so go away!
I'll put him on the fire. We're back from our bonfire night. Dan's a bit worse for wear, so I'm going to go in and make sure he's all right. See you soon. Bye. We're going to bed. Later.
Loving the fireworks. And Daniel, did you have a good time?
I really loved it. It was really nice.
Amazing stuff. He'll be singing on the show next week.
Okay.
Bye.